Hey everybody, it's STEAM Saturday and I'm Carla from the Medicine Hat Public Library. STEAM Saturday is a day that we look at the concept of STEAM, science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics, and do a fun experiment or craft or activity around. And today we are looking at static electricity, and we are going to be making dancing or floating ghosts using static electricity from a balloon. So the science behind this is that when you rub the balloon and create static electricity by rubbing it on your hair or on a wall or on some carpet, that it builds up invisible electrons with a negative charge, and that builds up on the surface of this balloon. And that is what is called static electricity, which means it is a non-moving electricity. The electrons have the power to pull very light objects such as coffee filters and tissue paper. I think even tin cans work with this. And so it gives it the power to pull and lift those light objects with a positive charge. All right, so let's get into the actual craft of this. So you are going to need some coffee filters, and you can draw some ghosts on them. You can draw silly ghosts or surprise ghosts, an angry ghost, and cut them out. So let's do that right now. I have two right here. Let's make a third one. So coffee filter. You're going to want to make sure you are coloring over top of a piece of cardboard or some sort of other paper. Since the coffee filter is very thin, your marker will bleed through it. So let's just go ahead and make a ghost quickly. And then cut out your ghost. So now I have three little ghosts here. 1, 2, 3. And you can take the time and make as many ghosts as you want. I'm going to put these down on my paper here. There, just like that. And then I'm going to take my balloon and I'm going to rub this against my wall right here and get a nice static charge. All right, so the balloon's charged, and as you can see, it pulls up the ghosts. There, we got one right there. Try and get another one. So you can experiment with this. You can try rubbing it on your hair and seeing how that works. That one worked really well. Pick that ghost right up. And then you could experiment rubbing this on some carpet and seeing how strong the static electricity is. And then of course, rub it on the wall and see how different that is. So there's a few different little challenges you can do with this one. Practice rubbing it on your hair, getting it nice and static. See if it'll pick up a ghost. It fully picked up this guy. You can see him like dancing around there. This is a really fun little craft that you can do. You can do this with any shape. It doesn't have to be ghosts. You can do this at any time. You could make pumpkins if you wanted to. You could make spiders. You can make anything not Halloween related that you want. You could do this with snowflakes for in the winter time or leaves for in the fall. So have fun with this. Create some little drawings on coffee filters or tissue paper. Play around with static electricity. Test what's stronger, static from your hair or static from the walls, static from the carpets. See what works best for you. You can try this with different types of paper, see what you can get it to work with. If you do this activity, please take a picture or video, send it to us at MHPublicLibrary or tag us in it. We'd love to see what you come up with. And once again, thanks for joining me. See you next time. Bye.